One of the benefits of being within the MW Industries network is that we have 21 sister facilities that can provide backup and dual source options. What this means for a customer is if we have equipment problem or a sister division has equipment problem, there is another division that most likely will have a resource that they can utilize. We are currently running a part for a sister division that they had some unexpected downtime on a machine that turned lengthy, and rather than failing on their delivery commitments to their customer, they asked us if we had capacity to run that part for them. And we have been running that part for 3 weeks now. Another advantage is the consolidation of a supply chain for customer procurement. We have a number of situations within the company where we have a larger customer that they do not want to go through multiple supplier approvals. And so if a sister division has a common approved customer number, we can qualify to run the work and ship through that sister division's approval. So for our customer, what that means is they do not have to go through duplication approval processes. MW Industries has shared resources and expertise and bulk purchasing power of raw material, which means competitive pricing. Our corporate procurement group was able last year to defer market increases for a little over 6 months due to our contracts with our suppliers. Another advantage of the corporate procurement group is that we were able to secure pricing on the upgraded material at the lower grade price. So versus bringing in the lower grade material at all, we buy the higher grade for everything. Another advantage of the sister divisions with raw materials is once in a while you'll get demand for a small quantity of wire that is difficult to find or below a minimum buy, and through the resources of our sister division, it's quite frequent that we can locate that material and not have to buy that minimum buy quantity, which would cost the customer additional money or end up in the plant having to be stored. We also offer ease of purchasing through catalog, direct, and other distribution channels. MW Industries stocks over 55 million different spring and fastener products. Having the support of a corporate division enables us to offer support to our customers through being able to do blanket orders, stock the material for them. They will get better pricing through a larger buy, but not have to take all the inventory immediately. Many customers take advantage of our stocking agreements, where we maintain inventory on the shelf at the facility for them. My name is Tiffany Vitek. I am the General Manager of Mohawk Spring, a division of MW Industries.